To be honest, our track record with first attempts is pretty sad. In fact, it's atrocious. Be it bad weather, bad luck, or bad planning. We rarely find success on our first attempt at climbing anything. So we just got to the start of the climb, the start of the hike part of it anyway. Sounds like we'll be walking up for a couple hours before we hit the snow line and then make our way up to our camping spot on the glacier. We're about over halfway to base camp now. We just came through the notch. It's just been a spectacular day so far. Pretty hot though. I feel like we've been climbing in a microwave. I don't think any amount of sunscreen is gonna save me from getting burned today. Nice work.
I'm ready for food and not walking with a pack on. Let's get ourselves a summit here.
What's the time?
3:20.
We just got to the base of the summit pyramid. Dropped our bags, our big bags. I think we found the route, but we're not 100% sure. We've got lots of time to play around so we can move slow and do it right. And we got good light now. Basically, we're just gonna pick our way up to the top. Quite the view.